everyone, this is Binod Bhatta. Welcome back to my new video. Today I'll be talking about how you can connect your smartwatch with any of your Android phones or iPhones. So let's get started. Before starting this video, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel and please comment below if you have any queries.
First of all, you have to go to setting option in your smartwatch in order to turn your Bluetooth on. For that, go to connections, click on Bluetooth and turn it on. After turning your Bluetooth on in your smartwatch, go to setting in Android phones, then click on Bluetooth, select the Bluetooth device of your smartwatch and click on it, pair it with your device. Confirm that passkey pair, confirm that passkey, click on it. Now your device has been connected with your smartwatch. If you have any queries, then please comment below. Thank you for watching my video.